And look at that, it's really buttery. Buttery. Hi everyone, mabuhay! Welcome, it's Alacat Castle, your transgender Filipino YouTube makeup artist with the heart. And in today's episode, we will be doing an eye makeup tutorial using the MAC Cosmetics Burgundy x 9 eyeshadow palette. And I love their x 9 collection because all of them comes with 9 eyeshadows in different colors. And today we will be using this palette. So without further ado, let's begin. So I already prepped my eye with the Beauty Crop Stock On You eyeshadow primer all over my eyelids. So let's start with this color right here, which is the dark brown right in the middle. And just in case what you're wondering, I'm actually using the Real Techniques Instapop eyeshadow duo. And see, it comes with 2 eyeshadow brushes. This is the small one, and then the big one is what we're gonna use on the crease. So let's begin with this, and I'm gonna start with a darker shade right on the side. And I remember, oh my gosh, who doesn't love MAC? If you really want something that's like has a very good payoff and want something that's simple, the x 9 is something that you should consider. Look at that, quick and easy. It doesn't really have a lot of fallout. And then after that, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna use the bronze color right here, and then we're gonna do that right in the middle. Yes, look at that. And you just pack it in. I'm using the same brush in the Real Techniques Instapop eyeshadow duo. And look at that, it's really buttery. Buttery, like you don't really need to exert a lot of effort because that's how pigmented the product is. It doesn't really have a lot of fallout, so you have all that confidence, yes. And then after that, we're gonna use the lighter color right here, again using the same brush from the Real Techniques Instapop eyeshadow duo. And you just like pack it in like that. And then after that, you can just like blend it in towards the other color. Then after that, let me just go back to the bronze and just blend a little bit of the darker brown right there and the lighter color in here as well. Yes! Then after that, we're now gonna do our crease color. I'm going to combine these 2 colors right here. One is cool and one is warm. And this is the other brush that comes with the Real Techniques Instapop eyeshadow duo. I believe this is exclusive to Walmart. Oh my gosh, it's super affordable and it's synthetic, so it does the job. Look how amazing that is. It's quick, it's easy. And then after that, we're now gonna do our bottom lash line using the bronze color right here again. And I'm using the LARUCE makeup brush in Short Shadow LR105. And then we're gonna connect that right here from the outer lash line, going towards the inner lash line as well. And I believe this is also made of synthetic bristles, so that means it's durable, it will last you for a while. And then after that, we're gonna use our Sonic Kashuk smudge brush using the dark brown shadow again, and we're gonna connect that right on the outside towards the inner lash line as well, just for it to give a little bit of more depth. And then after that, we're gonna use our TRISH MCEVOY Voom brush, and I'm gonna use the burgundy color right here, and I'm going to use that as a liner. Look at that, the quickest smoky eye ever. Yes, and you'll never go wrong with MAC. Whenever I actually travel with my boss, this is actually the palette that I actually bring with me. Super love it, super easy, and doesn't eat a lot of space, and the quality is amazing. And then after that, what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna finish this eye with the false eyelashes, put more blush and lips, and then after that, I'll give you my overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. I'll be back! And I'm back. Here's the final look. So what's my overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette? Well, the pigment is amazing. There was not a lot of fallout, and you have 9 amazing colors to choose from. So what's my verdict? It's a winner. It's a champion. Panalo, yes! And there you have it. If you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial using this eyeshadow palette from MAC, hope that you can support this video by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you're into unbagging, unboxing, as well as product reviews, hope you can consider subscribing as well. Again, my name is Alacat Castle, telling you and reminding you that you are beautiful, you are maganda, with or without makeup. And I'll see you again soon. You are special. Mabuhay. Love you. Yay!